Welcome to this video on how to navigate 221G administrative processing for U.S. visas. In this video, we'll provide insights and advice for those experiencing prolonged processing times. Let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by understanding what 221G administrative processing means, followed by factors influencing processing times, possible actions you can take, potential legal remedies, and some important considerations specific to your case, before wrapping up with our concluding thoughts and advice. Section 221G indicates that additional information is required before a visa application can be approved. This section often leads to requests for documents, background checks, or security clearances. Processing times can vary significantly, from some cases being resolved quickly to others experiencing considerable delays. This flowchart illustrates the administrative processing steps for Section 221G. It starts with the visa application, moves through steps where additional documents may be requested, includes background or security checks, and finishes with the visa approval or further steps depending on each case. Next, we'll discuss the factors that influence processing times. The complexity of the case is one such factor, as is the completeness and clarity of the information provided. Security protocols and the checks that come with them are also significant, and processing times can heavily depend on the workload and available resources at the respective consulate or embassy. Now it's time for a quick quiz. What is not a factor influencing 221G processing times? Let's go over the options. A. The complexity of the case. B. The color of the applicant's passport. C. Security protocols and checks. D. Workload at the consulate or embassy. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer to the quiz question is the color of the applicant's passport. This factor does not influence processing times at all, whereas complexity, security protocols, and workload certainly do. Now we will move on to possible actions and considerations. Firstly, stay informed and regularly check the visa application status online. Secondly, provide requested information promptly to avoid unnecessary delays. Thirdly, if you're concerned about delays, consider inquiring about your application status, but remember to be polite. Fourthly, if the delay is extremely prolonged, consider seeking legal counsel. Lastly, depending on circumstances, you may consider reapplying for a visa. Let's now talk about legal remedies. One option is the writ of Mandamus, which is a legal action compelling a government official to fulfill their duties. However, it may not always be successful, and an attorney can provide advice on its appropriateness. Another option is requesting an administrative review with the consular officer, a formal process for reviewing the visa refusal. It's crucial to take into account these important considerations. First, prior visa refusals can impact current applications, so be upfront about any previous refusals and address any concerns. Secondly, your nationality and field of study might influence processing times due to increased security checks. Finally, be sure to provide information about your age and background to give more context to your application. In conclusion, prolonged administrative processing can be frustrating, but staying proactive and informed can ease the process. Also, consulting with an immigration attorney for legal guidance is advisable to understand your specific options and potential outcomes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section.